Hello there. I'm glad you're here. So I'm Divyanshu Mehta. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and I hold around 13 cloud certifications. So I'll be your coach and trainer during this period and I'll be teaching you Azure DevOps. So in this course, you will be benefited by skilling up on your Azure DevOps and you'll also be benefited by your pay rise even if you're giving some interviews and all. So that also will help you. You'll also be able to clear the Az-400 examination by writing this or learning this course. Here the major components which we are going to focus will be Azure Introduction, then Azure Boards, then we are digging into the Azure Pipelines, then Azure Repos, and then following along with the Azure Artifacts and Azure Test Plans. So follow along with me this on this journey and have a great insights on Azure DevOps. I'll be happy to help you on this. So this is ideal for students. Let's say if you are skilling up on your Azure DevOps, then also it will help you if you are planning to write or clear some interviews on Azure DevOps. So yes, this is gonna help you in that as well. Or if you want to pass the AZ400 examination, then this course is for you. I'll be providing you the 100% chat support in case you have any queries. So just follow along with me. Thank you for watching this, and I recommend you to watch some of the preview videos to have a knowledge on this or have a demo on this. You can. I'm also looking for ahead for your enrollment, and I'm really excited you are here. And please watch some of the videos which I have free videos